Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log out from PayPal. To get started, let's open PayPal app. Make sure you have already installed PayPal app on your device. Now here in this interface, you can see profile icon on top left corner. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see Logout option. Tap on it in order to log out PayPal account from your device. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.